ତୁମେ କିଛି କରୁଛ କି? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? ତୁମେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ାଉଛ କି? Are you teaching English? Are you teaching English? ତୁମେ ପଢ଼ୁଛ କି? Are you studying? Are you studying? ତୁମେ କିଛି ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know anything? Do you know anything? ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କ ପରି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାଉଛ କି? Do you teach like him? Do you teach like him? ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବ କି? Can you go there with me? Can you go there with me? ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଭଲ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। I can't do better than him. I can't do better than him. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଭଲ କହିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। I can't say better than him. I can't say better than him. ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଭଲ କହୁଛ। You speak better than him. You speak better than him. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣେ। I know you. I know you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣେ। I know you better than him. I know you better than him. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କିପରି ଜାଣ? How do you know me? How do you know me? ତୁମେ ଗତକାଲି କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲ? What did you see yesterday? What did you see yesterday? ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲ? What did you see here? What did you see here? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଦେଉଛ? What do you teach? What do you teach? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ାଉଛ? What are you teaching? What are you teaching? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଶିଖାଇ ପାରିବ? What can you teach? What can you teach? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବ? Where can you go? Where can you go? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିପାର? What can you do? What can you do? ତୁମେ ଫେରି ଆସିବ କି? Will you come back? Will you come back? ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କଠାରୁ ଭଲ କହିବ କି? Will you speak better than him? Will you speak better than him? ତୁମେ ଆମ ସହିତ ରହିବ କି? Will you stay with us? Will you stay with us? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବ କି? Can you go there? Can you go there? ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଯାଇପାରିବ କି? Can you go with me? Can you go with me? ତୁମେ ଏହି କାମ କଲ କି? Did you do this work? Did you do this work? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇଛ କି? Have you gone there? Have you gone there? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to go with you. I want to go with you. ମୁଁ ଏହି କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to do this work. I want to do this work. ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନାହିଁ। I don't want to speak. I don't want to speak. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ। I don't have time. I don't have time. ମୁଁ କିପରି ଶିଖିବି ଜାଣିନାହିଁ। I don't know how to learn. I don't know how to learn. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନାହିଁ। I don't know what you want. I don't know what you want.